everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, don't forget to like and subscribe. In this video, I wanted to share you guys my own version of chicken afritada, and this is like a chicken stew with veggies and tomato sauce. And this is the chicken that I'm going to use. You know, I love to buy the whole chicken, and I'm going to chop this into small pieces. I know it's a lot of work, but this one, when you start to cook them, it's more flavory and tastier. And here's the vegetable that I'm going to use. I need a one whole up carrots and one stem of celery, one tomato, and green bell pepper. And I have leftover red bell pepper from refrigerator. And I'm going to start to peel off the skin of these carrots. And I have a medium size of potato, and I wanted to slice into very thin size of these carrots. And I'm going to peel off the skin, and we have to be very careful peeling off the potato skin. And I have a medium size of onion, and I'm going to use just 1/3 size of that medium size of onion, not the whole onion. And I slice into thin, very thin size, and cut into smaller size. And turn on your heat into a medium heat and pour the oil. I'm gonna start to saute the garlic and then the onions. And this chicken is 1 pound and 5 ounces. And mix them with the garlic and onions. And add 2 cups of water and let it boil. I'm going to start to slice this half of green bell pepper into a vertical. And I'm going to slice again into the middle. And I'm going to add a little bit of red bell pepper and slice also into a vertical. We don't want too much bell pepper into our afritada. And slice the celery into a very thin size. Now once the chicken and the water is boiling, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. And we have to stir until the soy sauce mix with the water. And let them boil. And now I'm going to start to slice the tomatoes while we're waiting for the chicken and the broth. I didn't take off the seeds. It's not gonna be bother our afritada because of the tomato seeds. And I'm going to pour the tomatoes. I'm going to start to slice this potato into big cubes. I already put this carrots, and after the carrots, the next one is the potato. In this part, I already poured the tomato paste, like 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, and add the sliced celery And this is the last one. It's always the last is the bell peppers, because we don't want our bell peppers to be overcooked. So that's why I want the bell pepper always the last one. Now the broth is look like saucy texture. And this is the finished afritada. And this is my own version of chicken afritada. Chicken stew with a lot of veggies and very healthy, and of course it's very yummy. If you guys have questions or suggestions, write your comments down below, and thank you for watching.